Good morning students. Today I want to explain the English 2 second lesson, Nightingale and the Rose. Nightingale means a singing bird and the rose is a beautiful rose. So what is the relation between Nightingale and the rose? Let us see. Oscar Wilde wrote this lesson. His full name is Oscar Finkel O'Farright Wills Wilde. He was born on 1854 and he died in 1900. He is a gifted poet, playwright, novelist and short story writer. This means gifted means expert. He is a very expert in the poet and playwright, as a playwright and novelist and short story writer from Ireland. His stories are marked by sparkling wit, genial humor and insight into human nature. So when we read his novels, we feel like that comical situations also added in his novels, and easily we can understand the character's nature. So let us see Unit 1 warm up. You are acquainted with fairy tales. Fairy means imaginary, not the fact. Acquainted means introduced. So first of all, we want to introduce with imaginary tale. So this Nightingale and the Rose also imaginary tale. Tale means story. A fairy tale usually relates a fantasy in which often animals, birds and even non-living beings speak human voice and share human joys and sorrows. So often animals, birds can't speak like humans speak. So that's why here writer added the human voice to the Nightingale. This story is written in the fairy tale tradition. The tradition is historical, it's very historical story, an imaginary story, remember this. In this story, a nightingale is so moved by sympathy for a young student that she sacrificed her life to gift him a red rose. So Nightingale showed the kindness for a young student. She wanted to give the red rose and at the same time she wanted to sacrifice her life because of the red rose. Let us see how did she do. Have you seen a nightingale? The nightingale is a migratory bird seen in Britain from April to September. So seasonal bird, migratory means a seasonal bird, and we can see in Britain April to September. In this period we can see. It is a small brown bird famous for its enchanting sad song. It is very small brown bird and she sings enchanting means very attractive sad songs. A throb of the heart and the voice of desire. Throb means violent pain. So sad songs means whenever she wanted sing a song and at the same time she feels very sad. Read the following unit of the story and see how a nightingale feels pity for a young student in love. Pity means sad. So a nightingale, how did nightingale feel for a young student's love? See the text. So first of all here I wanted to explain 4 characters have involved in this lesson. The first character is the nightingale and second character is a young student and third character is the heroine and the fourth character prince is little bit came only. And the rose is the most important character in this novel. She said that she would dance with me if I brought her red roses. She means here heroine. So cried the young student. Young student cried and he remembered, yes, that girl who is that heroine. Heroine said to me, actually if I bring the red rose then she will dance with me. But in all my garden there is no red rose. So this line said also that young student said actually what? No, there is no red rose in his garden, young student's garden. From her nest in the oak tree, the nightingale heard him and she looked out through the leaves and wondered. So oak tree means we can get the timber through the oak tree. We make furnitures, buildings through the timber, you know also that. So the nightingale sat in the oak tree and heard him. What did he say? Everything. And how did he feel pity? How did he feel sad about his love? And she looked out through the leaves and wondered. Means she thought deeply. Why did she cry? Why did he cry actually? So like that. No red rose in my entire garden, he cried. Again he cried. That young student cried and again the same sentence repeated. No red rose in my entire garden. It cried again and again. And his beautiful eyes filled with tears. So beautiful eyes means that young student's eyes very beautiful. And happiness depends on such little things. Here such little thing means is a red rose. So here young student says, it's exclaimed that his happiness totally depends on the red rose. I have read all that wise man have written, and all the secrets of philosophy are mine. So I means your young student says here, he has read all the wise man. Wise means clever, means the greatest novelists, writers. So they wrote different type of novels. So every novel has a struggleness and the character face the problems. So that time he didn't feel, when he read the novels, he didn't feel like that. But same situation when he faces, so he feel like that, yes, the totally situations of the philosophy, the total situations of the novel, now I feel those are all mine. Yet for want of red rose is my life made rich. Still, it means still. So still for I want a red rose is my life. So because of the red rose, I want the red rose. Here young student says, I want the red rose, that's why my life made rich. Rich means wasting of life. It means unhappy. So he didn't have the nightingale. So nightingale here totally of the young student's love and his sadness. So she felt, nightingale bird felt that yes, he is a true lover. His head is dark as the night and his lips are red as the rose of his desire. तो से पिलर हेयर एडी ता फिजिक को डिस्क्राइब करूची नाइटिंगेल कौन कोची से यंग स्टूडेंट रो हेयर बहुत डार्क हे की थिवो केमती नाइट राती केमती केती की ब्लैक हे की थिवो तो सेमिति तंकर से पिलर कोन हेयर भी डार्क हे की अछि तो लिप्स कोन बहुत रेड कलर जेमती से को टाइप रेड रोज चाहुची से टाइप पर रेड कलर हेची तो लिप्स अछि but passion has made his face like a pale ivory means dull. So passion means wish. Say jaha wish karuchi. What did he wish? That is the red rose. Yes. So he didn't have the red rose. He doesn't have any red rose. So that's why his face made like a pale ivory means dullness. मैंने dull ही जैसे दुखो करुची मैंने face आमी केबे आनंददायक हे थिबो. So definitely brightness comes in our face. So से dull ही कि अछि मैंने दुखो करुची सेतिले कोन एते सुंदर हेबा थिबा पिल्लाडा भी से कोन बहुत dull हे कि असुंदर हे कि देखा दोछि बोली नाइटिंगेल होछि and sorrow is upon his brow, the tears are coming from his eyes. Brow means eyebrow. Okay, the prince gives a ball tomorrow night. Here prince mu already कहिथिली गोटे आ गोटे character अछि prince really से होछि you just feel the classmate of the young student and heroine. So prince कोन गोटे great गोटे party दोछि. So ball means a great party. So tomorrow night काली राती को the great party दोछि. Murmured the young student here whispered. So young student कहि कि कोन होछि काली की party अछि prince दोछि. And my love will be there. If I bring her a red rose, she will dance with me till dawn. So my love means से heroine करो कहुछि. So my love will be there. My love भी माने से heroine भी सेठी आसीबो. So if I bring her red rose, जदि मु red rose देले से मो सहित डांस करिवो केते पर्यंत till dawn. It means have more time. The morning you feel like that. If I bring her red rose, I shall hold her in my arms. This phrase means actually he gives the hug, and she will lean her head upon my shoulder, and her hand will be clasped in mine. So totally here he wants to show the affection on that true affection, true love. Okay, on that heroine. But there is no red rose. As usual, she will lean this bend. She will bend her head upon that young student's shoulder, and her hands will be clasped in mine. This means tightly they clasped their hands. But there is no red rose in my garden. So एडी कोन माने कहूची मो ए सब जाको हेई थांदा जदी मु रेड रोज देली, बट ए मो गार्डन रे रेड रोज नै ताकू देबा पय. So I shall sit lonely and she will pass me by. So मु कोन करबी मु से पार्टी को जीविनी. तो सेठी कोन he doesn't want to go to that party and he wants to sit lonely in that garden, and she will pass me by. So से पिलाडा से जो heroine कहूची से heroine ता कोन ताटू पास करके she will dance with others. So अन्य मानको सहित से dance करिवो, and my heart will break. So when he hears, so that at the same time his heart will break, means he feels very sad. Night after night have a song of love. Night after night means many nights. Have a song of love means nightingale thought the nightingale होची माने मु नाइटिंगेल भाबुची एवरी नाइट मु लव पे गीत गाउसली गाई अछि एंड व्हाट इज सिंग ऑफ हिज ऑफर्स व्हाट इज जॉय टू हिम इज पेन जोड़ा मु गीत गाउची लव विषय से लव विषय गीत गाड़ मु बहुत आनंददायक होतली सेम लव से पिलाडा पे पेनफुल हेची जोड़ा मते जॉय दउची कोडा दउची लव को लव जणु को जॉय दउची सेम लव से पिलाडा यंग स्टूडेंट को पेन दउची ए सेंटेंस के कहउचंती नाइटिंगेल भाबुची surely love is wonderful thing so love is true love is really wonderful thing it is more precious it is more valuable than emeralds and jewels than fine apples pearls and pomegranates these are all valuable stones you also know that cannot buy it so ame ए सब को नहीं कि दे देले हेले भी ame love को most precious love को किनी पारिबो nor is it for sale एडा सेल भी करि परियोनु in the marketplace it may not be purchased from the merchants means businessmen so we can't buy from the merchants also nor can it be weighed out in exchange for gold so gold को एक weight करिकी हमें love को माने weight करि परियोनु balanced करि परियोनु बोली कुआ होची the musicians will play upon their stringed instruments said the young student so again young student एडी कोन होची musicians माने party means the musicians definitely play the instruments right so here and my love will dance so say instruments play करला कोन my love means heroine young student जो love माने heroine so say heroine कोन dance करिवो sound of the harp and the violin harp means your instrument she will dance so slightly that her feet will not touch the floor so she will dance से बढ़िया डांस करिवो जेमति ता पाद no माने जो फ्लोर को टच न होला बडा से डांस करिवो and the courtiers in their gay dresses courtiers means followers the gay dresses means good dress and will throng round her means they followed when she will dances on the floor at the same time followers and they wore the good dresses and they rounded up to the heroine but with me she will not dance kintu mo saito se dance karibani for I have no red rose to give her because he doesn't have red rose so that's why she will not dance with the young student and he flung himself down on the grass so he flung means he throwed himself irritated he feels very irritatedly so I don't have any red rose so that's why I don't want to go there like that irritated like children feel like that on that bed they rolled up on the bed okay like that a pillar young student be sensi grass रे कोन निजु throw करकी से कोन कांदुची and buried his face in his hands means he hide his face with his hands and wept means cried so कांदिकी सा हाथ से था मुंह को लुच्ची की कांदुची why is he weeping asked a little green lizard as he ran past him with his tail in the air so green lizard means जिटिपिटी कहंती so से जिटिपिटी कोन fastly ran करकी आसी की पछरला कोन why is he weeping means crying why indeed said a butterfly who was fluttering about after sunbeam evening times mostly we can see the butterflies most beautiful butterflies and flying with their wings and that butterfly also asked indeed means fact again same question repeated so repeat करके butterfly भी कौन पछरला काहे कि से पिलाडा कांदुची he is weeping for a red rose said the nightingale कौन कहला से पिलाडा कांदुची गोटे red rose ପାଇଁ for a red rose they cried so nightingale एडी butterfly and green lizard कांदी की कहले कोन गोटे red rose पे से पिलाडा कांदुची how very ridiculous means nonsense but the nightingale understood the secret of the student's sorrow in the nightingale कोन बहुत भल से बुझिला स्टूडेंट रो लव एंड स्टूडेंट रो सॉरोनेस माने दुख बुझी की नाइटिंगेल कोन and she sat silently in the oak tree and thought about the mystery of love so whatever she sat silently on the oak tree and thought about the mystery so what she wants to do about his happiness and about his love for success of his love so what are your first unit completed second unit warm up of the Nightingale and the Rose The Nightingale was moved to pity by the young student's sorrow. So whatever Nightingale understood his sorrowness, and he wanted to give, she wants to give the red rose, and she wants to do something about his happiness. She wished to find a red rose as a gift for him. So lastly se kon wish karla, Nightingale wish karla kon Nightingale mu gote red rose ta debi se pilla da ke kochi Nightingale kochi se pilla pai. Read the following unit of the story and see how frantically she is looking for a red rose. So frantically means in anxiety, mane both interested. So interest sahiत से केमिति red rose खुची की माने से पिल्लाड़ा देवा पाए केते interest अच्छी देखिया. See the text. Suddenly she spread her brown wings for flight and soared into the air. So suddenly कौन से spread तार brown wings जहाँ अच्छी से wings कौन spread करके उड़ीबा पाए ready हला air रे. She passed through the grove like a shadow and like a shadow. She sailed across the garden. She passed. Say called pass. So grove means other group of trees, and you feel like that is a garden. So garden को pass करेगी. कुटे shadow wise माने कुटे छाया वाला से कौन pass करके गला. And she sailed across the garden. से garden को माने cross करेगी गला. In the center of the lawn was standing a beautiful rose tree, and when she was at sea, flew over to it and lit upon a spray. A spray means you can see in your glossary also what is the meaning of spray. A very small branch of a tree. So said then se gave a center रे beautiful rose tree को देखिला. And she said से देखिला परे से branch थी ना branch रो ऊपरे बसिला. Give me a red rose, she cried. So red से कांदी की कौन बोला गोटे red rose टा दियो. And I will sing you my sweetest song. मु गोटे भल्ला song टा गाइबी, sweetest song गाइबी. But the tree shook its head, rejected. The tree reject करके कौन पछला कि मु तते दे परिबिनी. She can't give. Okay. My roses are white, it answered. से answer करला कोनो. My roses are white as the foam of the sea, and whiter than the snow upon the mountain. So more roses white color रे थिबो जेति फेम्पर फॉर्म माने समुद्र रो फेम्पर कलर केति थिबो से वाइज थाए. And both white mountain tree snow केति white थिबो ताहाटु भी more white roses white color रे थिबो. But go to my brother who grows beneath the student's window. So तमे जाई परिवे students room तळे गुटे गछडा red rose टा बढुची, and perhaps he will give you what you want. So that rose tree, here rose tree also talks. Okay, remember this, it is total imaginary story tale. So that's why here Nightingale, rose tree, red roses, trees, so talks here. So say कहला कोन, perhaps maybe say dei परिबो तते red rose. So the Nightingale flew over to the rose tree that was growing beneath the student's window. So as usual that again Nightingale flew over to the rose tree, to the red rose tree growing beneath the student's window. Give me a red rose, she cried, and I will sing you my sweetest song. So again Nightingale kandi kon कहला मते गोटे red rose टा दियो, मु तम पे गोटे sweetest song टा गाइबी. But the tree shook its head. Again, any tree kono ta head ko shook करला. Here this tree also couldn't give the red rose. Why? Let us see. My roses are red, it answered. So एडी कोno my roses kono red color अच्छी एडी से answer करला. As red as the feet of the dove. Dove रो पाद जेति की red color रे थिबो से bird dove bird ता जेति की तारा to be red हे की थिबो. And redder than the great fans of coral that wave and wave in the ocean cavern. So coral means stone, valuable stones. Say valuable stone red color रे थिबो. Mostly we can get in the ocean caverns. Caverns means cave, गुम्फा कुहंती. So oceans and बेसी से type stones टा हम पाई परिबो. So mostly red color थिबो. ताहाटु भी अधिकांश रे more red roses red color रे थिबो. But the winter has chilled my veins. Okay, why veins? माने rose tree को veins थाए. So से veins को कौन cool कर देला winter season टा. And the frost has nipped my buds. Frost means ice. So ice माने buds माने कौड़ो कुहंती कौड़ो. So से कौड़ो कौन माने squeeze कर देला से जो ice जो. And a storm has broken my branches. So storm, thunderstorms, you also know that. So thunderstorms पड़ेगी, branches जब भांगी जाएगी. And I shall have no roses at all this year. So a total year रे मो पाखरे red rose नहीं. One red rose is all I want, cried the nightingale. Nightingale कौन कहला? सबुडु मते गोटे red rose का दरकार. Only one red rose. Is there no way by which I can get it? माने मते गोटे red rose का दरकार. सेड़ा पाइबा पे आउ को रास्ता नहीं की. There is a way, answered the tree. Tree कौन answers the red rose tree कौन कहला? गोटे रास्ता अच्छी. But it is so terrible that I dare not to tell it to you. So एड़ा बहुत भयानक मु तते कहिबा में भी मते dare नहीं. Tell it to me, said the nightingale. I am not afraid. Nightingale कौन कहला? तू मते को मु डरेबिनी. If you want a red rose, said the tree, you must build it out of music by moonlight and stain it with your own heart's blood. So if जदि तते red rose दरकार ताहले तू गुटे माने moonlight night time रे music गीत गाइबार अछि, at the same time तोर own heart blood ता stain करिबार अछि, माने ढाळिबार अछि. You must sing to me with your breast against a thorn. Thorn means कंटा. So red rose को branches पाखरे माने thorn थाए, कंटा थाए, से कंटा को तार breast को कोन माने prick करिकी पड़ीबा कहती. So prick करिकी तू whole night गीत गाइबार अछि. All night long you must sing to me and thorn must freeze your heart. से कंटाडा कोन continuously prick करिबार अछि, सेडा heart को touch हबार अछि. And your life blood must flow into my veins. तो blood टा कोन मो tree रो veins सहित मिसिबो and become mine. से blood कोन मोर हबो. Death is a great price to pay for a red rose. So it means actually nightingale goes to die. Okay, so tried the nightingale. Nightingale कोन कांदी के कहला गुटे red rose पे death होची बहुत बड़ो price है. And life is very dear to all. So life कोन समस्त पे इच्छा है. Everybody wants to live. At love is better than life. किंतु life to love होची बहुत better. And what is the heart of a bird compared to the heart of a man? So here nightingale कहूची गुटे bird रो heart को गुटे लोकर heart से compare करले bird किछि भी नहीं. So she spread her brown wings for flight and soared into the air. She swept over the garden like a shadow. So whatever she decided and she determined, she wants to give the life for a red rose, and she wants to give the great gift red rose to the young student. And again she flew into the air and she moved also fastly over the garden like a shadow, and like a shadow she sailed into her tree. Again she reached to his tree. So what are your second unit also completed? Second unit completed, and in your next class